In today's video, we are going to show you how to add tags to tasks on Asana so you can keep your workspace organized and easy to filter. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then click the Open in Browser. This will forward you to your main dashboard. Now, if you are managing projects, tracking content, or organizing workflows, tags will help you stay on top of everything. Now, on the dashboard, I want you to click the task that you wanted to add tags to. For example, this one right here. And then once you open that, I want you to click the three dots icon on the top right corner where you can see that says More. If you do, there's an option here that says Add Tags, and the shortcut is going to be pressing Tab plus T. Okay, so if you created tags, you would easily check them here. But if you don't, just simply type the words or the words. You can simply type the keywords or words that you wanted to use. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. And you can also customize that by choosing the color that best represents your brand or logo or identity. In this case, we're going to be choosing the blue one. And then when you're happy with that, basically that's how you add tags to tasks on Asana. Now, if you decided to remove a tag, just click the X button next to the tag name. Alright, and basically that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.